In today's video, I am going to teach you how to populate automation in Activecampaign. Begin by logging into your Activecampaign account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Automations. This is where you build and manage the workflows that move contacts through emails and timing rules automatically. Once you are on the Automations page, create a new automation. Click Create an Automation, then choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control, which is helpful when you want a simple, clean automation without extra steps you do not need. After selecting Start from Scratch, click Continue to move into the builder. Now you will choose what starts the automation. Select a trigger, such as subscribes to a list, and then click Add Start. The trigger is important because it determines exactly when a contact enters this automation. For example, if you choose a list subscription trigger, contacts will begin the automation as soon as they are added to that list. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the trigger that matches your goal, since this affects who gets included. With your start trigger in place, you can begin adding actions. In the automation builder, click the plus icon to add a step. From the options, choose Sending Options, then select Send an Email. This is how you deliver your message at the right moment. When you choose Send an Email, you will be prompted to create or select the email you want to send. Make sure your email has a clear subject line and a message that matches the trigger that brought the contact in. Also confirm that the sender details and formatting look correct before moving on. Next, click the plus icon again to add another step. This time, go to Conditions and Workflow and choose Wait. A wait step creates a pause before the next part of the automation continues, which helps you space messages properly and avoid sending too much at once. Set the wait period to the timing you want, such as waiting a specific number of hours or days, then click Save. Choose a wait length that fits your audience and the purpose of the email you just sent. Finally, when you are ready for contacts to start moving through the workflow, switch the automation status to Active. Once it is active, new contacts who meet the trigger conditions can enter and follow the steps automatically. That covers everything you need to know.